I just got this teeth whitening kit off of Amazon, and I'm really excited to try this because my dentist just told me to stop using my whitening toothpaste because it was like too abrasive to my teeth, and they said just go ahead and bleach the teeth and then remineralize them with fluoride. And this also, I believe, comes with a remineralizing gel, and so I believe that's supposed to help when your teeth get sensitive from that bleach. That it will help them recover a little bit. So what it comes with is several instructions so you can make sure to be doing it right, but essentially it shows how to turn on the light and that it has batteries, and then how to put the gel in the tray, and then it comes with this bag of goodies here. So let's check this out. It's got this light, and it looks like, so here's the light. Let's see how bright it is. There's a pull tab. So I'll pull that out. And then it says to push the battery back in. Battery's in. Ooh. Okay, so it looks like that will attach to this mouth guard here. So I'm gonna turn that off for a second. That looks nice and bright. And so I think you can be sure that the batteries are going to work when you get there. And then this looks like it's kind of a flexible mouth guard to go with that. I'm not entirely sure how these go together. Oh, okay. This just attaches to the front. You can kind of like put the light into the front of that silicone piece, so then it'll fit in your mouth like this. I was worried it was gonna be like really bulky and uncomfortable, but it's fine. And what I like is the light isn't too heavy, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna be a pain to leave that on. And then it comes with 3 syringes of this gel. And I'm not sure how many uses one tube of gel is, if this is a single use and it's really only 3 whitening treatments. It doesn't say yet, but I'll figure it out and I'll post another video. And then it also comes with this whitening shade paper. So let's see where I'm at. Okay, there's the start. And so we'll see how this goes, but it's got great reviews, and so I'm excited to try it out. Hope this was helpful, and I hope it works for you too.